Let me change this. So I'm bullish on GJ, bullish on gold. Currently, I'm bullish on gold. We'll get into the breakdown here in a second, right? But it looks like GJ setting up for buys for New York Open. I kept wanting to say London. Get the link in the Discord. I don't know where the fuck it went. So, GJ, right? This 4 hour is currently pretty bearish. We never broke the low though. And there's a high chance that we're making a pullback right now for New York, right? We absolutely juiced our London. We called this move in the Discord 4 hour close above resistance. Next one just went, bro. Right? There's not too much to it other than that. All we did was look at the daily and then say buys above 161 400, which happened to be a resistance and the high of this daily candle. So as soon as we broke it, boom, clean move up. But I still think GJ has some room to move, right? Especially if we can create a 1 hour support. Because then it's like we could remove this. This would be the new support here. And then I think we should be able to make a nice clean move up through here, right? I'll say it's more like this for GJ. Moving up. I think those are the best zones for GJ. Gold, bro. Why the fuck is this thing? So gold, we closed back above. What I'm waiting to see is how this 1 hour closes. This 1 hour closure will be the whole, like, whatever you want to call it. This will be the deciding factor of what we're gonna play here today, right? If we get a bullish close, which is what I would like to anticipate, we should be able to just take easy buys moving up, right? We got clean traffic above here. And then we go to NASDAQ. It's kind of looking like the same thing, but I will say it also depends on how this 4 hour closes for NAS and for US 30, right? If we close and make a resistance, there's a good chance that we're just going to follow suit with the weekly and continue moving down bearish, right? Yesterday was a pullback day. Right now we're still pulling back some. If we form that resistance, high probability we're going to move down on NAS today and US 30. Down towards that 32,700 level for US 30, and if for NAS it would be like that 12,400. But it do look like this 1 hour wants to flip and start dropping down, right? Look at the gold 4 hour candle. I know, bro. We just broke down that one. We're looking for buys, but it depends on the 1 hour, bro. The 1 hour closes bearish. This shit gonna melt back down below. And then this was the pullback for the New York session for the best opportunity for sales. But if we close bearish, that's if we close bearish. If this thing closes bearish, then we're gonna melt. If we close bullish, we're gonna juice. So all we're gonna do is wait to see how this 1 hour closes for gold, right? So as of right now, what the daily candle looks like, I mean, it's bullish right now. Made a huge bottom wick. I ain't gonna lie, the buys look good. GJ will give us better entry. We'll have to see. If this 1 hour closes bullish as well, GJ is going to continue moving up. Very high probability. We made a nice move up. Pre-New York, we made that pullback for the New York session buys. Then we can expect a continuation up towards 165, 450. We should get a good move back up there, but I agree with you. Gold continued to bullish. Why are you typing in all caps, bro? I feel like you're yelling at me. I feel like you're not listening to what I'm saying either. Yay. But I think I agree with you. I think it depends how the 1 hour is gonna close for gold though. Late night with the gang, right? We on FaceTime. She told me to pull up in the late pipe. But it does look like gold wants to move up though, bro. So it looks like we might see a perfect opportunity here today for some buys. Alright. As long as we close above this range, this minor range. I'm gonna redo everything for my chart. Alright, I'm gonna re-break everything down. So go to the weekly, we have a support. Daily, same thing. Hopefully it don't go too far. But I do want to see the buys here on gold, bro. In my opinion, this is all clean traffic. I'm gonna ignore these bodies here to the left hand side. Yo, these things smack, by the way. They're like brownie, brittle cookies. It's so goddamn good, bro. Yo, what up, Mr. Grimm? Yo, so I ain't gonna lie, boys. The gold buys look beautiful. I'm gonna have to change my bias. Right, like we've been saying this, but now that Mr. Grimm's here, we're gonna say it again. We're coming closing back above here. If this 1 hour closes above this area, bro, we're gonna see a goddamn juicer. GJ 1 hour flipping. Oh, so. GJ 1 hour flips and we come down, break this 4 hour low. We can't anticipate GJ to keep moving down, but I would like the buys today better. Alright, hopefully you ain't baiting me. I like this. I like this a lot. Mr. Grimm, I feel like you see the charts almost the same way I do. I will say, though, I don't have this zone drawn in here that you do. Right here. Right, I'm assuming this is exactly how you drew yours up. All these wicks and everything hit. We'll keep it in, though. That could be like our first target or whatever for the buys. Or like we could have a TP or something there, right? But, we have 3 special news too. Thank you for reminding me, bro. We have advanced GDPs at 8:30. I won't lie. I mean, unemployment is not too big of a. Expected to show smaller growth in Q1 than in Q4. That would be a bullish factor for gold, right? If this news comes out the way they're anticipating it, right? There was last a almost 7% increase. They're only expecting a 1% increase, right? So that's not very good. So if that news comes out to be around that 1.1% area, then it should be a bullish factor for gold. Yo, what up, Mateus? Tell me if I pronounce that right. Bro, these gold buys looking fucking... Oh, looks like GJ, I think as long as this 1 hour candle closes bullish, GJ should still make a nice, beautiful move up. Yo, what up, Nasty? Seems like GJ 1 hour will close bullish. Right, we still got like 9 minutes, but I agree. I think this makes sense. We're respecting the low of this previous 4 hour. We're going to create 1 hour support. This would be clean traffic for this to move back up. Also, this was the move from London and Asian. And then quite typically around 4 or 5 a.m. that's when you'll get that pullback for New York to continue to doing the same thing. So, I think GJ is also going to play beautiful buys. We could probably take him and like to break the highs this 1 hour, or we'll look at the lower time frame. But up towards here is about 110 pips. So, it's a beautiful range today for GJ to move back up. Also, oh, right, but like I said, gold is entirely dependent on how this 1 hour closes, right? So if we close bearish here, then this shit should bleed for the day. You should see this 1 hour candle or 4 hour candle drive down, break its own low, flip, and then if we don't get the big move right away to the downside, right, and this is like, right, this thing could still close bullish at this point, so I could just be spewing bullshit right now. But this 4 hour, if this thing flips and drives down, breaks its own low, we print a bearish candle, boom, perfect. We have a 4 hour resistance created. We should see a nice move down today. Nasty had to de-ice by getting a boiling hot shower after frozen. Yeah, me fucking too, bro. They fucking pulled us all to that fucking shit. Except fucking homie West. Something like that. Pronunciation not bad. I'm trying to think. Something like that. That's what I always say too. Something like that. What's US 30 looking like? Oh, so it does look like we are creating that resistance too for this shit to move down. Obviously we are not gonna touch into this till 9:30, but it looks good, bro. It looks good, bro. Charts are lining up. I really would like to see this 1 hour close bearish, bro. I would like to see the daily candle flip. Right, we did close below yesterday. This could have just been a nice pullback, but we'll trade it as we see it. I'm gonna keep GJ up on my one screen. As well as, I mean, I'm gonna keep gold up over here, right? Yo, what do y'all want to listen to, bro? We got Sofago on. We listened to Sofago yesterday. Oh, whoa, my eardrums skirting a Tesla. Dude, that song fire though. Gold dude be looking like a bleeder. Hopefully we get an inverse Bill Hwank. Actually, I don't know if what that means. Hopefully that means go down. And where's Bill Hoyt? Ready to take sell on gold as long as she prints a bearish. Are you ready? Bill Hoang bearish? Yeah, I'm full Bill Hoang on gold, bro. If this 1 hour closes bearish. Whew, their starting minute looking clean, boys. Clean, boys. The way that it's looking, I don't think we might get too much of a top wick. So what we might do is just keep stop loss below the high, and then keep sell stop below the break of the low. But I do want to see it drive up a little bit first. Like, I don't want it to move down right away, because then it might just pull back, make that top wick. But this do be looking like how yesterday's 1 hour kind of, well, no, it really doesn't, but don't go too far, gold. Nasdaq, smoking on the gas pack. Hold on, I gotta play a song real quick. We're gonna play some bro. Actually, I'll just play it on the fucking. I never had shit, so I wear my AP when I sleep. Practice what they preach. Fully loaded, put the seats. CC sneaks just so I don't hear a peep. Gotta made it to my sheets. Alright, perfect. What will be your stop on gold? It'll be the high of this candle. It's gonna be a little bit of a bigger one, bro, but if you don't like it, that's tough, bro. Why does it sound like shit? It sounds like it's playing on like 240p quality. It would be nice if gold made a nice pullback towards here, but I don't know. We got like 37 seconds. Way before I lace my kicks and keep a stick with the diamonds on my fist. Right, so our initial stop for this is gonna be up above here. Unless you take this at the open, or you take it after it pulls back some, right? Pull back some for us, gold. Alright, and then so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put that sell stop in. And then you could either put it here, take it at the flip, or take it at the break of the low. Let's see. Right now it's going to be at the break of the low. Because I want to see it drive up some more, right? Staying high above the rim. Alright, perfect. So I just got hit by a spread, and we're moving down. Boom. So my stop, this is my trade right here, right? We'll go break even and secure some after like 10-15 pips. So right around this area right here, we'll go break even. And then once it hits break even too, either you could do one of two things, right? You could either move your stop loss towards here, right? But it still might want to go up, make a top wick, right? It still might want to go up, make a top wick. We'll see what happens here though, right? I'm ready. Gold finna nuke to 1878. I hope so. 30-second time frame, don't lie. See my... I'll do it whenever we're done with this trade, bro. Also, GJ, if this thing could make a bottom wick first, we'll see. But it is like a weaker bullish candle. We'll wait. I want to see it make somewhat of a bottom wick, and then maybe we can look for buys on GJ as well. What up, MM? Right, but this 4 hour is also flipping here at this point and broke its low. On GJ, we should wait to break the 30-minute range. Yeah, that's the other option you have for GJ, but it needs a bottom wick regardless, in my opinion. Backwoods got my chest tight. Who ready to eat, bro? Who ready to eat, bro? It's gonna do it right here. Give us an inverse Bill Huang. Where's Henry? We about to go to war? I don't know. Alright, let's see. It might pull back some more. We'll see. What, this 5 minute looking like? Hold, come on. I'm holding, bro. Don't worry. What's your thoughts on incoming news? We'll have to see. I mean, I don't really think it's enough. It's not gonna be anything to like change the market sentiment, right? The interest rates and everything that are coming, and the FOMC coming. But it's not like, I don't know, it's not like an NFP, or it's not like a, what do you call it? It's not like an NFP or it's not like a what do you call it? CPIs where it's gonna be like extremely volatile type beat. What is your entry, Sim? You can see it on the screen. But I mean, if you really want to know, it's 1885.17. Alright, we might pull back some. Let's see. I will say, if you want to, you could, like, if you want to manage risk, if this thing comes up and breaks its high again, you could close some of your position. That's up to you. But, like, this daily candle, bro, close below, we have clean traffic moving back down towards this area here, right? If you drop the 4 hour, same thing right here. We're anticipating right now for this 4 hour candle to reject this area, right? We pulled back for New York. This is the best opportunity for sales. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out, right? But like, too early to say anything. We just broke out those lows. Good. This thing might just be making a bit more of a bigger top wick. Alright, melt for us. Melt for us. Tap right into our zone. Give us an inverse bill going. Do you close partial or not? No. Because I've already set my risk to like. See, this is the reason why I tell people close partials. Because I feel like some people don't understand how to manage percent risk per position, right? Like if I take a full loss on this, then it's only gonna be 1%. And like there's nothing that has like nothing's happened on any of these time frames that are important yet to tell me okay I should want to manage risk. Like the 5 minutes not enough. 15 minute, like I mean like 15 minute high here is the same thing as a 30 minute and a 1 hour. That's the only valid that's the only time our trade becomes invalid is if we come and break these highs, right? That's what your stop loss is for. Yeah, if you have 10 pip SL or 30 pip SL, should be equal. Roughly the same amount if you were to lose, if you calculate your loss size correctly. Thank you. Exactly. Growing up in the hood, you don't learn how to behave. Bro, where did my YouTube chat just go? There it is. There it is. There it is. Alright, go down for us now, bro. Now this looks like a good wick to move down. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, boys. We about to get an inverse Bill Wang. Now at this point, I'm going to move my stop loss to here, right? Because this is a good ass top wick. If this thing goes back up and re-breaks this high, then there's a high chance that this is just gonna either fuck around or just go up and break the high, right? What are we looking like though? This 15-minute just did a nice pullback. Ooh, even if this thing doesn't move too far off of this candle alone, the next one is we close bearish right here, right? What they preach. I like the Bill Huang. Yeah, I like that shit too, bro. Think I need a maid to change my sheets. Go ahead, bleed for us, baby girl. Give me an inverse Bill Huang. Dude, the market probably hears me saying that shit, and they're like, oh yeah, let's fuck this man over. If y'all don't know who Bill Huang is, look him up. He's the best trader ever. If you look at the first half, he had the market in the first half. I think GJ has no pressure to move up. It doesn't have a bottom wick yet, bro. I'm not gonna lie, boys. I want this 15 to close bearish, but not hit or break even, so that this next one can move up some, or like move down enough. Like, you'll get what I mean. Like if this thing moves down, we hit break even, or where we secure. Then the next 15 might like hit our break even and then bleed. So as long as this thing still closes bullish, or I mean bearish as where it's at. Think it's holding for news. I fucking hope it ain't. But the news ain't nothing crazy, right? It ain't nothing crazy. Yo, gang, hope you guys win. Yeah, I hope I do too. So far, she be looking these. I will say, if GJ breaks his 1 hour low here, though, sells, you go play sells, because then we're going to break that 4 hour low, right? But, in my opinion, stick to the buys, bro, because look at what we did today, and if you look at the daily candle, that I'm like not upset or sad, but god damn, bro, when this 15-minute fucking went, I stepped away from the charts, or like I wasn't looking at it. When this happened here, dude, the next one opens up, literally fucking flies, bro. It does like literally over 100 pips in 2 5-minute candles. Alright, give us a bearish close here. Give us a bearish close here. We still in the green, boys. This next candle should be absolute inverse Bill Huang. You look him up, first thing you see is he lost 20 billion in 10 days. Dude, but the fact is he made all that 20 billion Like, alright, beautiful. Beautiful close here on this 15-minute candle, bro. Let this one just, like, move up a little bit. Let it make a stop wick. And when it comes down, breaks out low, we're going to get some bags today, right? If you're not in this trade already, you can still technically take this trade. It's the second half of this M30. This 1 hour, you know, we're very bearish for today. We've been very bearish on gold. We have clean traffic on the higher time frame moving back down towards this area here, right? Even on the 1 hour, we do have. Let's see, where did this pull move to today? That 1875 area we talked about. If you didn't watch the daily breakdown, DJ finally making that bottom wick. Now let's see if it respects. You willing to sell on GJ? No, bro. I just told you. I think it could play out if we break this 1 hour low, but I mean I'm bullish on GJ. I think we should wait to see how this 30-minute closes. And I think gold needs to fucking just start bleeding, right? Go ahead and move down for us here, gold. This should be a bleeder. We've been like kind of ranging here on like the lower time frame, like probably like the 1 minute. Oh yeah. She about to bust, yeah. Because when we range like that on gold, bro, it usually makes a fat ass and beautiful move. About a K. Need some ammo. Come on, bro. It's almost at our break even. Actual zebra scanner. What do you mean by that? Dude, I just seen this TikTok of someone. It was like some kid in high school in the library. He's looking up on the computer. Fat black man wearing vests. And some dude behind him that was recording him goes, "Hey, yo, you looking up Drewski?" He whips around and about breaks his goddamn neck. Alright, give us a Bill Hoang right here. Alright, beautiful. So we're going to go break even, and we're going to secure 50% at this point, right? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful. Go ahead and keep moving down for us some gold. Beautiful. I mean, we get stopped out at this point, we get stopped out, right? The setup was there. I know the news is coming. Y'all keep reminding me. I mean, let's see. Hopefully this 5 minute will just fucking bleed off the face of the earth, and then I'm probably just gonna look to secure everything if we can drive the whole ways down here, right? And well, I'm pretty sure I just got hit break even, but you could still be in this. Yeah, I got hit break even. Fuck, bro. Is anybody still in this? Nice. You got 12 pips. Yo, start spamming the W's. Start spamming the W's. In and out. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we can get all the W's going crazy. Yes, sir. W's, W's, W's. Mr. Krim going crazy. W's in the fucking chat, yo. Simple. Gold sales. Simple, 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 bro. Easy. Yo, this shit looks crazy on my screen. This shit up. And it's probably like 20, 30 pips at this point. 27 pips. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so if I were in it, if I were you and you were still in this, I probably looked at just secure most of this right here, right? Just we got, alright, y'all can chill with the dubs. but if you're in this, we do have some news coming up. So look to secure price like some more of this, right? It was a little bit of a chalk trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was in some drawdown. It did be looking like it still wants to move down some. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Beautiful. 22 pips secure. Beautiful. Bet we can get another entry during after 9:30. Yeah, I think as long as once we print this 4-hour resistance, you're gonna see the nice, beautiful move down, right? Prada jogging suit cost 12 tech flips. Beautiful, beautiful. You look just like my rich auntie. At least y'all got to eat. I know that what Grim said his entry was 1886. God damn, my you had like a 9 pip better entry than I did. I don't know what the fuck happened to mine. I got scuffed. Mine should have gone in like way down here. How long you been trading? It'll be 3 years in the summer, like in like a couple months. Made my $500 in the morning. Shit, beautiful. God damn, nice. You just press sell, no sell stop. How long did it take you to be profitable? Alright, before I answer your question, I just want to ask you a question. Or I want to say, it takes everyone a lot differently, right? Trades taken, we'll just say gold sells 30 pips. Let me put that all up on the. Hold on a second. How long would that take me to be profitable? It's different for everyone, bro. If it's like if you keep like over risking and not trying to get better every day and you're not showing up the charts every single day, then it's gonna take you longer than someone. But for me, it was somewhere between like 1.5, 2 years. But I will say, like, when I became profitable, it wasn't like, oh, every single day I'm winning, every single week I'm winning. It was more or less like at the end of every month I would end in profit. It wasn't until like November, I'll say like more or less probably like September, October of last year, where it was like I think I maybe had like 2 or 3 weeks since then where I ended in the red for the week. So. Five minutes incoming news, yes sir. Let's see what happens. You became. Do you trade similar Wix Online? Wix Online is who I learned from. That's where I learned a lot of everything I know how to do. Raw Jaw's the GOAT, bro. Yeah, perfect word to describe how I trade. Similar. Like I don't. So like I know one thing he does is like he takes impulse entries. Like say like when this candle started breaking above here or whatever. Like technically you could have like hit buy or whatever. Like I don't do that. I wait for candle closers like almost all the time. That's just something I found. It works for him, doesn't work for me, you know? Not everything's gonna work for some things that work for you might not work for someone else or whatever, you know? We still lies are guru true. But like so like what I would do is say like we did end up having a candle come and close above here or something. Then like I'll wait for the bottom wick, and then when it comes up to flip, drive up, we keep stop loss below here. So you still have a tighter stop, and then you have once it comes back up, it'll drive up, start creating the body like this, bro. Let me just like say you have a resistance here, and then you get. Ooh, give me a second. But you get like a candle like this that comes and closes above. Let me move it down some. Closes above the resistance. You'll wait for this first one to drive down, make this wick. So at this point it will be like a red bearish candle, and then when it goes up to flip, drive up, create that body, then it would be like we enter the buys here, kind of shit. If that makes sense. What about GJ? Ooh, GJ looking good. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I might take the GJ buys on this next. The only thing is like, bro, this 4-hour closing very bearish. You became profitable 1.5 years. Took a fat ass break for months. When I came back, I wasn't waking up in time to trade. Now I'm trying to get your shit together. But yeah, Roger the GOAT. Yeah, bro. I'm glad you're back to the charts because honestly, charts are life. Good to see you here too, bro. Beautiful. What are you confused about, Mr. Grip? Dude, I like how all the homies make their money in dip. Not all of them, but most of them. I mean, hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not mad. Like, bro, that's what we're here for. Not gonna lie, break's the best thing you could do. Took like a month off, came back better than ever. Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Dude, I told Nasty too. I was like, wait till you come back to the charts. I'm pretty sure he ain't lost a single damn trade since then. Homie showed me that MetaTrader. I was like, shit. Should I wait for current candle to break previous high or low? So it depends how big the wick it makes is, in my opinion. And it depends on how big the previous candle's wick is. So let's say like you get a candle that comes and closes above like this, right? But it has a wick. Make it a fat one so you can see the wick. Okay, maybe that's not what I wanted to do. Dude, why is this like actually completely chalked? Right, so say it makes like a bit of a bigger wick like this. Then like when it makes that bottom wick and flips, you could enter. So that way you could be about risk free. Like this is like technically, let's say this was a real candle. Um, what do you call it? Like then you could be break even by the time this thing goes up and break the high. And in case it doesn't go up and break the high, and then we fake out, like there's a chance you can still go break even, right? Send me money for booty money, boys. You be in my DM asking me for money too, bro. You need it for the booty transplant. He said he's from. Alright, let's see who this news does. Oh, so yeah, if you were selling this, you definitely probably got hit break even. I won't lie, boys. If this thing comes down to flips, though, there's possibility for another entry, bro. Someone delete this. I will say, if this thing does drop back down and flip, there's a chance that we might be able to get sells still. We'll have to pay attention. This 1 hour is bullish right now. Is that dude from Controller Stream? Ah, y'all be. I'm sure, honestly, I might like honestly not even mad, bro. I wonder like if y'all had like my stream, Control FX, and Raja like all open, bro. Honestly, dude, there's no reason you should lose. Bro, it's jokes, man. No, I know. I was joking too. Watch GJ M30. Oh no. I'm watching gold right now too, bro. On my other screen. Oh yeah, my Instagram. Thank you, Instagram, bro. You're on his stream too, mate. Been with him for long. I like to go make fun of everyone and troll. Yeah, no, I mean that's no problem at all, bro. I don't have any problem. Like, bro, the amount of knowledge that you could be absorbing. Um, y'all want to know a funny story about Controller FX? So when I was first like getting into trading and learning, there was someone in Raja's stream that was like, "Yo, who the fuck is this Controller FX guy? He's taking a lot of the same trades you do." And Raja was like, "He's a student of mine." And at that time, he was streaming for about the same amount of people that God damn, bro, y'all watch gold. Hurry up. This thing don't have too much of a bottom. Like we'll see though. Like this 1 hour would. Like I don't take these impulse entries. So if this thing starts driving up through here, like I was telling you earlier, I'm just gonna sit here and watch it. What was I saying though? Oh yeah, like 2 years ago, I remember watching or not really watching them, but I just like looked them up to see who they were talking about too. But yeah. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like this could keep moving up, bro. What did the news come out as? Oh! I have it on my other screen. Look at this 1 minute. Oh! I love watching them goddamn moves go crazy, bro. Did anybody take those? They're pretty valid. I mean, like you have the news volume to work with. I want these. I'm gonna get the fuck all the 1 minute for GJ. Dude, I get excited when shit starts moving fast. I love it. Dude, I just think of like all the people who are in trades. They're probably fucking shooting a brick or clenching their ass cheeks. Yeah, what did the news come out to? Oh. GDP decreased at an annual rate of 1.4%. So this is bad. It would be a, like we talked about earlier, right? This would be a bullish factor for gold, right? Shit for the economy. But this could also just be like a liquidity spike, and then we could return to the bearish. What do you call it? That bearish market sentiment we have right now with the interest rate hikes and everything. Do you trade London and New York or just New York session? So it depends. Sometimes I'll take, like, very very rarely, but I'll take a trade sometimes during Asian session. It just depends how good the setup is for London and Asian. If the setup's beautiful, then what you call it? If the setup's beautiful, then I'll take it during those other sessions. But yeah, mostly New York session. This is way more volume, especially for like the pairs I like to trade, like gold and US 30 and that. And then you also have for GJ the London, and so like from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. you have London and New York banks open. So volume for GJ is there as well. But I think we need to see how this 4-hour closes. And this 1 hour. That news fucking crazy. This shit don't even have no bottom wick, bro. Let's read this a little bit though. U.S. economic growth rate unexpectedly declined first quarter by 1.4%. So like the GDP was up. Like basically the GDP is like, think of it like how the economy is doing, right? I saw your IG or Jack, but you don't look Jack, but that's the webcam. I'm not Jack, but let's see what he said. Gold 5-minute flips. Better entry to buy? I don't know, because it's like, I would say yeah if this didn't make a top wick and it drove down, then came up. I will say if it comes and closes back below here, I mean, if you're a cowboy, but I can't. Nah, I ain't jacked. If you want to see someone jacked, go to Nasty's Instagram, bro. For the buys, I prefer 30-minute closer. Yeah, 30-minute closer, and then you'll have that 4-hour, you'll have that 1 hour, you'll have everything, right? Like, I'm not gonna do some crazy shit. We'll let the market show us. Because this could go one of two ways. So the reason why I think we could move back above here, because if you look at the news for next week, you know, I like to look at the news we have a week in advance, because sometimes that's how you, excuse me, sorry, I got really loud. Tomorrow we have PCE, a price index as well, which is inflation measurement. If you look at the news next week, we have Wednesday is a huge day. We have ADP NFP, we have FOMC statements, and they're looking to hike rates. Like, so this is already priced in. So this is why you've seen gold start moving down. Where did they price it in at? I believe it was last week on this candle. So like it got priced in. Boom, we started melting. So like if you've ever heard someone say like priced in, that's what this means. Like the estimates are out. So they're looking to hike rates by 1%, right? Which would be a bearish factor for gold. Raja said people need to show their terminals, prove they're legit traders, so you can show us our terminals. Bro, why are you in here opping, bro? What if I don't want to? If you follow it as IG shows Mediterranean very often, bro, I just showed 4.5 racks too on my IG too yesterday. I mean, you can look at every stream recap too. Like, I did used to show my terminal when I started, but that's so funny. What do you do with your money? So like right now, honestly, I've been just like kind of compounding my account. You know, I do withdraw it. Low key, just been like growing my what do you call it? My bank account, bro. Because one of the things I did hear from and was like, grow your bank account. Grow your bank account first. He buys hot chicks with his money. I mean, bro. You trying to buy a Lambo? Hell no. You want a Hellcat? Me too. I told myself that I gotta wait at least a couple years for all that shit, bro. Listen, what about GJ? Good looks. Let me look at GJ. Oh, so I think it depends how this 1 hour gonna close, but the 4 hours gonna close really bearish. So I don't know, bro. We are overall bullish for the day, though. Let me show you my Instagram highlights, though, bro. We have a lot this month, bro. Also, you're probably not in the Discord either. I'm pretty sure we got what you call it. Like if you look at the in the Discord, like we broke everything that happened today down to its. We've been breaking everything down. Why can't I load this, bro? Or do we want to look at some of the highlights? It's gonna blow my ears in, bro. He's in. Before I painted it out, that was when it was up making its top wick. And then I was like, it just flipped. This is where you should be in. And then boom, this people in. Latinos, that's what I want. Or Black Queen. He's in. What about GJ? Yeah. Let's watch GJ. Look, this is it now. Beautiful. Boom. Up 20 pips on some gold buys on the stream. Quick. Yeah, boom. We have a 7-win streak too. Sheesh. And I just wanted to say one quick thing before I put this real. Way more printing bull. This one will end up.
So let's talk can low. But then we should
Crazy, bro. Hey. The Nasdaq's good. Let this 4-hour candle close. Simple. Dude, Discord be fire. I ain't gonna even lie, bro. Dude, I love this, bro.
Size 1. What size actually want?
Beautiful.
that just bled out.
I don't know. You can go check them all out, bro. Dude, I love that fucking juicer. That shit with the juicer though, bro. what girls think guys actually want? It's a fucking juicer. Where am I from though? I'm from PA. Madison is what I dream about. Who the fuck is Madison? Is that who that chick was in that video? That juicer turning me on? I fucking dream about that shit, bro. Sam is secretly from Alabama. I have a video of a girl I was dating one time, and then I go, I just like put the camera up to her, and I was like, you like a sister to me. Alabama 100, Alabama 100. Madison beer. You know what they do in Alabama? Oh, I know what they do in Alabama and in West Virginia, bro. Let's see if this thing fakes out here on the 15, bro. Kinda be looking like it. Kinda be looking like it. This 30 minutes starting to drop down below too. You know what they do in Alabama. you be all fucking. Oh, this is who I used to have a crush on all through fucking elementary school and fucking middle school, bro. Fucking absolute fucking dime piece, dude. I remember one time I told my one buddy in middle school, I was like, yo, bro, I was like, you know who I think the finest bitch ever was? And I told him, he's like, bro, who is that? He thought it was someone that went to school with us. Then he like looked her up on Instagram and goes like, oh damn. You know what they do in Alabama? You're doing Alabama on MM? Sure. He'll probably he wants your cheeks, bro. Nah, who's like a hella fine queen though? Check Emma Watson. I know who that is. I mean, ain't she like a ginger? You would lose everything for this? I ain't gonna lie, she's kind of mid. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Plenty of pictures here too. Like I'll try and pick out the good ones. Like she look good in that. Ain't she from Harry Potter? Sarah Hasner, fire. You be down bad, bro. You be sharing her damn. Dude, she built like a fucking toy soldier, bro. She gonna beat your ass. Alright, bro. I need to fucking chill. I'm gonna get banned on fucking stream. Okay. Zendaya? Alright, bro. Someone speaking my language. Who said that? Oof, yeah, ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Sam, do a glizzy reveal? Alright, cool. Nah, I'm playing. Fuck. My type right here. Do dude, I seen homies been going crazy over Mulatto lately. I ain't gonna lie, she kind of mid. Olivia O'Brien, isn't that the girl that made the driver license song? She bad, bro. Olivia O'Brien, who is this? I ain't gonna lie, she alright. Ain't gonna lie, she alright. Look at this shit, bro. Fake outs. Fake outs. Right, so this we anticipated this, boys. We anticipated this. Johnny sends the baddie. Get the fuck out of here. I am not pulling that shit up. Dude, you know what's funny as shit is if you used to look up J Mac, he would be literally the first person that comes up, bro. You Google fucking J Mac, dude, you literally see a bunch of sins pop up first thing. The 40 sins pop up. It's like Mac, he's on the couch with 40 sins behind him. That's fucking so funny. But I love y'all. Y'all are fucking hilarious. J Mac and Ivy. Yeah, exactly. Oh! Good thing I didn't fucking have that up on my goddamn. Good thing I didn't have that shit up. I don't know why I fucking didn't even think about what that was when you Google it. Check out Lily Hernandez. Alright, bet. Okay, not J Mac, Lily Hernandez. Alright, boys. How old am I? I'm 20. I'll be 21 in July. Remember that so you can send me some money for my birthday. You can send me booty pics. Bro, I gotta make sure I'm pulling this fucking shit up because otherwise y'all will be wildin'. We're looking at the fine Latinos while trading. Nice. Yeah, all the finer things. All the finer things. Let's see. I have my dub today, so. Who? Let's just look up fine ass Latina. See who comes up, bro. Nah, she built. Look at this shit. This is literally J Mac, big ass Latina chased by a lesbian loving T-Rex on a hoverboard and fucked. That's literally Wes in the fucking suit. Fucking lesbian. Dude, my search history looking fucking. I look down atrocious if you look at my fucking search history now. I look fucking down atrocious. We all have the same humor here. How old is everyone here? Like that's in the chat going popping off. I know some of y'all. Who else do I think's bad? 21? Okay. Where are you from? You're 420? Okay. 420 in months. Let's see how old that is. 420 months in years. God damn, boy. You 35. You pushing fucking old head. Dude, I ought to get Schmidt on here to tell them the story about fucking Wads in the car, bro. Whenever they were driving, and then it goes what was it? Fucking, they're sitting there going deer. Nothing happened. Then a deer actually pops out. Nothing happens. Wads fucking runs straight into the deer. He goes, bro, it blended in with the yellow lines on the road. This shit had me so weak. Dude, I literally let out like a Godzilla whenever he heard that. You gonna roll up a fatty when you hit 35? Why don't you do that right now? Yo, I'm gonna slide to the one chord, boys. If that's 420 months, yeah, actually, you a fucking smart ass motherfucker, bro. You know what? Maybe I'll do the same thing. I'll put together the fattest wood. He said, "Shit, I'm about to right after this."
No speech impediment when I speak. Bank account. Every time I log in, I'm relieved. Large amounts. Getting deposits on repeat.
Bro, who else do I want to look up, bro? You close that fucking shit. I think I got rid of the tab. Oh, what's that one girl's name, bro? Oh, you know who I think's fine as hell? I don't like her as a person, but as I like her by her physical appearance. She fucking bad as hell. I remember one time my girlfriend caught me with a picture of this shit in my fucking search history. Oof, I got fucking. She's like retarded as fuck though. Like she sits there and throws up gang signs, and the one day she got pressed, she's like, "I just be doing it 'cause it's cute." Ruby Rose, Ruby Rose. How much money have you made in that room? I don't know. It's a good question. More than this one and my other one. Should I make it rainbow? Should I make it rainbow? Should I make it rainbow? I want to see how GJ 1 hour closes. I want to see how gold 1 hour closes as well. I do think that even if we close bullish, as long as we close below here, I will say though, like if this closes bullish in the 4 hour, what about Summer Rae? She alright. She what? Ain't she dating Cole Bennett or something? Did I spell it right? Yeah, I did. I guess it don't really matter. Was she dated MGK? Fuck MGK, bro. Dude, I ain't gonna lie. He must be something about that man, bro. He be bagging the fucking baddies. I used to be down bad when I see her on a fucking Transformers movie. Alright. No more fucking bitches. Look at this fucking wick. Dude, you already know there was some goddamn, what do you call it? Warriors got in on this one. Megan's mental. She's nearly 40 and looks like that. Are you mad? Fuck yeah, I am. I'm the goddamn MILF hunter around here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The older ladies. Whew, you gotta think about it. They more experienced. Dude, I really wish. I don't know if I should do it on stream. Fuck, I really want to. Dude, there is this badass MILF, bro. I don't want to get too much away. Actually, nah, fuck it. No one's gonna be watching this. They shouldn't. This one chick I dated, bro, I always thought her mom was so bad, bro, and she loves me. So it's like, come on, what are we doing? Let's just get to the fucking point. Drop the name? Fuck no, I won't drop the name, but I'll show you. What do you call it? Maybe nah, I can't even show you a picture, bro. Y'all call me weird too, bro. I mean, she definitely look older. You check out Jordy El Nino. It's gold live stream. Who the fuck? Alright, maybe I can bring a picture up. Alright, actually here, I'm gonna do it from my phone. And then, you know what, that's gonna have to be good enough for y'all, right? Hopefully you can see. She's so bad, bro. I think I just leaked the name. Send on Insta. Alright. I got you. Cause we homies, bro. I'll send it to you. I'll show you on this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You say you bugging, cuh, if you fucking think that she's not bad. I want your reaction in the chat. Just tell her you be doing 20 lots on gold. That would be cap. Though I'd be capping though. I have only ever dropped 20 lots a couple times. And I ain't gonna lie, boys. My cheeks clench up. I'm still working at that. I'm still working to get that point. I'll be honest with you. I'm still working to get that point. Sam needs a gal. Nah. Where are you at? King M. There you are. I'll send you them both, bro. Bro, dropping higher lots can make you come and cry at the same time. Yo, what the fuck do you mean? At the same time? Could you imagine that? Sam, do you just go around fucking bitches, or are you looking for the one? I don't be going around fucking bitches, but I ain't looking for the one either, right? I just feel like I don't really have the time to put into, like, I would want someone to put as much effort into me, like, as I want to put into them, right? And, like, I don't know, bro. It'd be fucking. It'd be complicated. Like, I'll say, yeah, like, I'll probably be with someone. Like, it really gotta be the right person. And, I don't know. I ain't worried about all that shit. Bro, if you're in profit, you're going if it goes down, you crying easy. I wonder if your chats are showing up for everyone else. Yeah, if you cuss, sometimes it won't show. I have it set so, like, if you go to, let me show you all how to do this. So, if in case you didn't know, this is here on YouTube. If you do the top chat, I don't know why it doesn't block this fucking word. Oh, I think it's probably because he's a mod. But if you go to live chat, it'll show you. In case everyone's wondering, I'm sitting here saying, you going around fucking. You want to chase females, you want them to have the same energy as you, smart way to go, chase the money instead. Exactly. I feel like if we really want to get into it, if you're a very desirable man, then you shouldn't have a problem with the girl chasing you. I really wish this 4-hour made a bigger top wick. I would say maybe look for some re-entries here, but you stream every day? Yes, sir. Monday through Friday. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that for me. It mean a lot. Monday through Friday, we start at 7:30 a.m. What we got? What we got? See what Naz and Nat's looking like, cause otherwise, oh. So if we look at GJ now, this thing just drove up and broke that high with no bottom, a very little bottom wick. So I think maybe we could buy GJ if it closes above this area here. What's Nas looking like though? I want to see Nas melt. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So like sometimes when we get a candle like this thing will go like this. It might look like this for the Nas candle today. Give me a second. But it'll like sometimes make a big ass top wick and break the high of the previous one. It's a chunky boy right there, right? Oh yeah, here. Let's do this real quick. So if you're not in the Discord as well, it's a free Discord. There should be a link in the stream description. Let me make sure real quick. Yeah, it's there. So if you want to join the Discord, feel free. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff. Like, feel free. I just need to turn it up. Let me pull it up real quick. So if you go in here, we do daily breakdowns every single day, right? For what I want to see because I don't stream all day, right? So let's do our daily breakdown. I'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. It pretty much just opened up about a half an hour ago. So give it some time. It might pull back here, make a top wick. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, right? So I am bearish on gold. If you look at the daily candle, we came and we closed below the support. And where do we have clean traffic to? Down towards 1850. This is about a 300 pip range today, right? If you look left, we have this support here. This is the most recent support on the 4-hour. Boom, no problem. We closed below on the 4-hour and the daily, right? So it looks like this thing's starting to drop down right now. We'll see what happens, but. Let's drop the lower time frame. Let's look and see. So, yeah, if we can break below 1884 here, I'll say right here at this area, you can see right here. Then gold's gonna start wanting to move down, right? Especially if we come down and we close below this area, right? So as soon as we close below here, then I would anticipate gold to move down, right? And so, in my opinion, we can probably look. We go to like the lower time frame, like the 30-minute and the 1-hour. I would say that right around 1870, we're probably gonna hit somewhere today. Probably like during London or something when it's moving down. This is just like what. Hold on, I need to see. What did it end up hitting, bro? Did it end up hitting that 1870? Yeah, it did pretty much. Just wanted to see if it hit that exactly. Boom, bro. Probably sometime during London. So we called that one. Perfect. Alright, let's go back and keep watching. I just want to see everything. Somewhere around this area, you can see like we had a wick rejection here. Like you had a wick hit off of here once. We tried to create support, right? So this is obviously like a respected level in here. Right around 1870. So price might drop down today. Like it might do something like this: drop down, make a pullback, and then continue, something like that. So let's see if this happens, bro, because that's literally exactly what's going on right now, bro. I'm fucking too goated with the fucking sauce. Literally, I could plan the whole day out before it even fucking happens. It might just bleed straight through there, right? Because it's on the higher time frame, clean traffic, moving back down. But we'll see. So I anticipate the sells for gold. Now let's go to GJ. So GJ, I would anticipate buys today for GJ, right? Unless we come back down and break below this daily low, I mean, look at this. We're super bullish. You know, we're really bullish. We haven't broken market structure. I wouldn't say the higher time frame is bearish until we can break and close below 159, 930. But you can clearly see that we just made a support off this daily candle, right?
One thing to notice too is the way that daily candle looks, bro. That's a very strong bullish candle.
I will say I don't think that GJ might want to move up until next week because obviously this candle's gonna need to print.
I was wrong here though. I will say I was wrong here.
Then you're gonna need, so it'll kind of look like this on daily candle, right? So we finally got our way to draw it up. So like if this thing closes like kind of where it is this week, let me do this. Then next week you can anticipate something like this for the weekly candle or something, right? And then it'll be this monthly candle also looking to do the same sort of thing, driving up. This is all fucking chalk. But you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying, right? Next week starts a new month. So I would either say, looking at the 1 hour, I mean, you could definitely probably look to buy once we break back above this area here, right? I'm gonna adjust this zone. We can close above 161, 380, 161, 400. It should be an easy move back up, right? Back up.
And we're fucking very easy move it was, bro. Look at that shit. We came and closed above. Boom. Well, if we look at it, we closed above on the 1 hour. We never could technically close back below. And then what happened, bro? Boom, fucking absolute juice, or ran straight to our fucking previous target we had up here, and all this was 4 hour resistance here on the left. Wait, let's go back and watch this.
62, 250, so it's like 80 pip range almost up here, right? 86, 89, 90, whatever pips. I mean, it's gonna close above here, so I mean that's what you want anyways. So it's, I mean, obviously, unless you're trying to catch this whole range. But I would anticipate the buys on GJ today. I would think that we might pull back one more time, tap into here. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But regardless, if we come and close back above here and you see that this daily candle's made a decent amount of a bottom wick, right? Then I would anticipate the buys, especially like once we start breaking above here, right? Once we break and close above here, it should be long gone, right?
Long gone.
NASDAQ. So we did close bullish on NAS yesterday. I don't know if I'd personally really want to look for the buys yet, maybe, unless we came and broke back above here, because then this would be this weekly candle rejecting the support here. But I mean, we are still bearish for NAS, right? We broke, we've been following this nice, beautiful, bearish market structure. So there's still a chance that we can maybe create a resistance and move back down, but we also closed bullish on a daily candle yesterday, right? So I'll have to wait and see for NAS. This is just like, not every day is a trading day. This might be one of those days, right? Where it's just like today, this NAS and US 30 are kind of chalked and they don't look good. I will say US 30 looks better just because this has more of a top wick on there. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. And then you have this engulfing 4 hour candle. So like this could have been the move down, the pullback, and then this today could possibly be that continuation, right? So that's what I would want to look to see for US 30. And then if US 30 is going to do that, and then it looks like it, so maybe you can anticipate the sells for NAS as well. But I feel like you can't see them yet, right? I don't see them yet. Unless like this 4 hour candle is here ends up becoming like a wick fill, and then we end up printing a nice strong support or a resistance here.
Alright,
But it probably won't.
that was basically everything. But yeah, NAS and US 30, I mean, it did end up pulling back and making another resistance here. I think we still are definitely going to want to probably drop now, especially looking at how this daily candle's like really rejecting. Same thing with NAS too, starting to reject. We didn't make too much of a bottom one either. You're good with the higher time frames? Thank you. I will say, like, trading the higher time frames easy, bro. If you could just like look at the 4 hour, and then it's like 99, 95 90% of the time it's gonna respect the price action. Unless you like see it doing this whack ass shit like this in here, then like you probably don't even want to trade anyways. Cause look at the lower time frame, it's fucking chalked. So, but like once you can see the clear price action and the volume start to come in, then it's probably going to follow suit. I will say it does look like GJ kind of wants to melt back down here. We'll see what happens. But yeah, if you're not in the Discord, highly recommend you join. We do those every single day, and I mean it's free. And I mean, what's the difference of like whether if maybe you don't have a bias for the day or it's hard, then maybe like just look and see what I'm looking to see, right? And then after you see enough of them, yeah, thank you, Danny. Once you see enough of them, then it's like it'll be like bread and butter. But literally all I do when I come to the charts is I look at the daily, weekly, 4-hour, let those paint the picture, and then you use the lower time frames to look for where you could enter these moves on these 4-hour candles. Right? But I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back.
I got so much drip when I get dressed, I can't decide. We don't fight no UFC, that chopper kick you in your side. I'm ballin' like an athlete, flooded AP on my wrist. Calling plays like Kobe, let my broski set the pick. I've been dripping lately, I look like a walking lick. I got ice like hockey, when I skate, I keep my stick. Bases loaded, got 3 bitches, every one of them I hit. Kicking shit like soccer, give my jersey to the kids. I was posted in a trap like Shaq, controlling all the mid. Hail Mary, every city we touch down, we getting lit. We was hitting lick after lick. Now I'm hitting bitch after bitch. No locking lips, I just blew that girl a kiss. Skirt, skirt, lift my doors, then I dip. Blow a bag on all my outfits, drip after drip. She said she like my jeans, they got rip after rip. Money piling up like pancakes, flip after flip. Just me and Bucks at parties, getting grip after grip. Now I made it my own family, can't stand me. Now I won't get on a plane without a Zanny. Now all of a sudden they say they miss me. If I lost it, they'd probably be first to ditch me. I know how to kill these rappers with no gun, but I still went out with my shooter on a drum. The things I never had, destroy that shit for fun. I'm tweaking if they pull me over, might go on a run. I'm living reckless. Could've bought a car, I bought a necklace. Yeah, that girl is cool, but I want the next bitch. I wasn't supposed to make it, shit was unexpected. Feels like my time is running out, so I've been living reckless. Pull out every time I can't have no kids. Pull out foreigns, make them hate how I live. Did half a song, I'm trying to finish this shit. But they just booked me, got a party at Live. I'm still fighting demons from the shit that I did. I lined somebody for a couple pounds of submit. I cried when Body said that he avoided his bid. Cause when I got a problem, he the one that I hit.
Alright, I'm back. What did I miss, bro? What did I miss, bro? Whole lot of nothing by the looks of it. So we'll see what gold does and how it closes on this 30-minute. If it does end up closing bearish, I ain't gonna lie, boys. We might have the sells here soon. I might give him another chance, just cause this could be a nice. This could be the 1 hour starting to move down now. 4-hour close bearish. It could come down, fill his wick. So we might give him another chance.
If not, I ain't gonna lie, the Nasdaq setting up kind of nice for sells as well. Let me check. See what she looking like.
Lately I don't wanna sleep, 'cause my life feel better than my dreams. I'm in Hollywood, I'm on the scene.
I don't know.
But everything ain't
Nasdaq might want to actually keep moving up, bro.
gon' treat you different when you on. I just hope when they talk they remember my name when I'm gone. Cut my grass low, see the snakes. Don't know how they collide on my face.
We'll see.
You see me stacking my cake.
GJ, what's GJ looking like?
Girl, I'm calling your phone 'cause I'm popping the pills again. Girl, I'm lying to you and I'll say I'll never lie again. I'm getting older, I'm scared I don't want the rockstar life to end. And I'm living the shit that I write 'cause it's hard to pretend.
W stream, W trade, W day, yes sir.
But I'm scared I'm never gonna change. I'm addicted to the money and fame. I'm trying to control these thoughts in my brain. I'm scared I'm never gonna change. Yeah.
We'll see how this 30-minute closes. If we can get a bearish closure on this 30-minute, then I'll stay around for a little longer. Otherwise, I'm gonna call it a day, right? You know, I've had a beautiful week. Yeah. Honestly, bro, the trades we called this week have been fucking. Even the one day when I literally couldn't even fucking stream, bro, because my power went out, I made sure that y'all got those fucking 100 pip gold move. I posted it on my Instagram story. I posted it in a Discord. How many wins and losses you taking this week? So we had a win on TJ I took at the beginning of the week from literally from here. We broke that weekly low and I closed it all here. It was like a 270 pip trade. And then Tuesday we caught these gold cells from here, moving the whole ways down. And then Wednesday nothing. Or no. Wednesday actually, yeah, I took a 20 pip loss on gold on buys. I can't remember where was that. But it wasn't on stream. So Wednesday we didn't have anything, and then today we had that 30 pip win. So like, I think we caught like almost 350 pips this week. That's like a really good week though. Like on average week, it's usually like less than 100. Or like around there, I don't know. I mean, it's usually like less than that. Probably like I'll say like 60, 70, 80. After like you factor in some losses. Think Raja took that same trade on Monday? I believe he did. It was just like super simple in my opinion. Weekly candle closed bearish. We closed below this support here. And then if you look at the fundamental side of things too, we knew that we had bro, I'm tripping. I'm on next week. I'm like, where the fuck's this at?
Yeah, right here. So this was the BOJ policy rates. So the Japan keeps negative interest rates on their economy, right? And that's why they're a safe haven. So that way that there's always investors pulling in money into them, and also since a lot of their trade happens through shipping and like, you know what I mean, like trade, not trade like me and you do, but like trade like from like ships from country to country. It makes it more favorable whenever investors don't have to, like, Japan's actually paying them to like want to do business with them, and they make a fucking killing off it, right? So that's why these are all negative, and it also helps deflate their currency, right? So they had that hike come out, or like it got priced in at the beginning of the week. Boom, we melted down. It came out finally on Wednesday, which is yesterday, and look where we got now. Did you see Nav? He was spinning yesterday. Need to learn Forex factory and fundamentals because you trade technicals only. So this is a thing. I love that you are interested in learning how to trade fundamentals, because that was one of the biggest things that we did when we first started streaming and we started the Discord and everything. But like, not too many people were interested in all that, so I kind of stopped. Like here's the Discord again. This is back in February. Pull back towards 1840, then continuation towards 1870. Conflict has begun to erupt in Ukraine, with Russia possibly beginning their invasion this week. This will be interesting. At the same time, you'll see a bullish USD as well as a bullish gold. Don't get confused by this. Gold is safe haven, but sometimes it's the USD. It's the world's reserve currency. Let's look at this fucking chart, bro. So this is the daily for gold. Like, I don't trade trend lines, right? But you can obviously look and see how they react to the market and everything. But let's look at the daily for gold now, bro. Boom, we made that pullback here. We made that pullback here. Boom, and we fucking exploded up into the 2000s. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really remember too much. Let's see. There used to be a lot in this channel. Wait, which channel did we do it in? I believe it might have been this one. Yo, who are emoting on fucking... They might even be in this channel, bro. I used to do so many. Like, I used to really get into depth with it. Look at this shit. Money making. Beautiful. See, we got like 30 seconds. It looks like gold might close bullish. We'll see what happens though. I don't know. Fuck it. I mean, you've seen it. Now we're coming the whole ways back down.
Isn't that crazy? Look how many days it's fucking been. And it was only 2 months ago. I guess it was like 3 now. GJ 30-minute closing bullish. I wish it would have made a bit of a bigger. I think the better buys might be waiting for this 1 hour. And then it gives this chance for this 30 to come up and close above as well. Oh, my bad, bro. Ain't gonna lie. This 30-minute close bullish, but it's very weak. It's like a doji, so this could do whatever. But like, if we don't go up and break the high, I think there's a chance we can still. Alright, so US 30 didn't. They did just open up. Let's see if this thing bleeds. I want to see a top wick first. Okay, Naz is doing it beautiful. So let's see. If I'll say if this candle comes back down and flips, bro, you could definitely look to take sells on Naz, but it just went and broke that 1 hour high. And this is kind of ugly. So I think I might just end the stream here, boys, today. Hopefully someone learned something today. I feel like today was a fire ass stream. I ain't gonna cap. Thank you for everyone who showed up. We had our win today on gold. I'm not gonna sit here and risk any more of my profits. I will say if Naz flips, this should be beautiful sells. You're gonna be following this 4 hour. This daily candle should be starting to drive down. But it's so fucking ugly. Alright, look, let's see. It might do it right here. But I would take it at this 30-minute flip. But I don't know. I'm done for today. So I'm gonna dip. We're gonna check out. Nice guys and gals. Yes, sir. We're gonna check out. We're gonna be back tomorrow same time. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Leave a like on the stream too. And you know, we're gonna be back tomorrow doing the same thing. Join the Discord if you haven't. I mean, there you can ask anyone anything. Yeah, Danny got you the link right there. Look, there's that Nasdaq candle starting to flip and drive down. If you didn't get this, I will say once we break this 4 hour low, it should just fucking melt, bro. We'll see though. It just made that bottom wick. But look at this 5-minute candle, bro. Not looking good. Not looking good. Alright. But I'm heading out, boys. That's it for me. And we'll be back tomorrow, same time, doing the same thing. Same things every day. I'm gonna let the music play. Hopefully we get a banger on this next song to end the stream to. Alright, so now, okay. I'm gonna sing it for you. And I'm ouchie. Double G buckle to under my shirt. I taste codeine when I burp. I bought a Bentley, forgot it insured. Alright, I'm out. Hola, homies. Hola, hola. Yo, what up?
Hola.
I've been in here for like an hour. Dude, the whole stream probably hears us right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.